Alright, y'all, so this is what the wig looks like, and I did have some bleach residue inside of it. I forgot to fully wash it out, but I'm going ahead and trying on the wig before I fully cut off the lace. So just to let you guys know that this wig did come pre-plucked, all I really did was bleach the knots to it. I didn't pluck it or anything like that. This is how the natural hairline actually came, which was really, really nice. So now I'm just going in and I'm fitting the wig on my head and cutting around my ear. I'm going to go ahead and take it off and cut the lace off and then go ahead and begin to apply it. So for the glue, I'm just going to be using Bold Hold lace glue, and I'm just using 2 layers of that, and I'm going to be splitting my hair into 3 parts. I'm going to do the top section first, then I'm going to go left to right. So now that I've put my second layer, I'm just going to wait till it dries clear, and it's literally dried clear, and I'm going to go ahead and just apply my wig on. So I'm slowly just tapping it on. I'm not really going too hard. I'm making sure there's no pieces of hairs laying on the glue or anything like that. You guys want to make sure that you guys have your hair looking as clean as possible. With little pieces of hair laying down on it, you'll see it through the lace. It'll just make your wig look trash. But anyways, I'm going ahead and doing the corners now. Now I'm going ahead and parting my hair, and I'm just taking my wax stick and waxing out the middle of my head. A lot of people ask about these wax sticks, and they are my very own brand. I am going to be coming out my own wax stick line, so please be patient, guys. I'm going to give you guys all the details on everything. So now my lace is like fully on. I'm just going in with my hot comb and I'm fleeking that out. So I did previously wand curl my hair a few days ago, but I am going to re-wand curl it so you guys can see how I did it and how I got these curls. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and begin my baby hairs, and I'm just going to be doing my basic baby hairs routine. I'm not really doing anything different this time. And for the gel, I'm going to be using the Got To Be gel, which is in the yellow bottle. That's the gel I've been clinging onto lately, so I'm going ahead and using it. And like I said earlier, guys, this wig was pre-plucked. I did not pluck it. It's probably going to be a few parts where I do pluck it a little bit, but as for plucking it before applying it, I didn't do anything. This wig came perfectly pre-plucked, y'all. So now I'm just basically finishing up my baby hairs and doing my little sideburns. And you guys are going to see me do a little plucking, but nothing too major. Now that my baby hairs are fully done, I did put some oil on my actual baby hairs and my hair. I'm going to go ahead and I did put some makeup down my part. I'm not going to be spritzing it and spraying some oil sheen on it and just fleeking that out with my hot comb. And that's just going to give it a nice definition and a nice look to it. So yes, y'all. Now I'm just going to brush out my curls so you guys can see how it looks. And they look pretty wavy, so I'm just going to go ahead and retouch them with my wand curler. So I'm going in really big chunks, and I'm just wrapping the hair all around twisty style. and I'm going to be holding it for a few seconds. Once I've held it, I like to squeeze it in my hand. Even though it's hot, I squeeze it in my hand and then I comb it out. You guys want to make sure you squeeze it in your hand and let it cool down in your hand so it could actually set better and the curls will actually hold better. So that's what I like to do, and I'm going to put it in my hand and squeeze. I'm just basically getting all that hot air out, and then bam, I just comb it into position. So I'm going to go ahead and continue this routine all around my head. Alright y'all, so I just did some like real cute wand curls on the hair, and this is how they look. So nice and wavy. I didn't want them to be like too tight or anything like that. I wanted them just to look cute and fall cute and stuff. So this is how it looks, and I'm loving it. So Klaiyi hair, I'm wearing a 26-inch body wave 13x6 lace front wig. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a video right here so I can show you guys how full and nice this wig was before I washed it. I did end up having to bleach the knots because they didn't come bleached, but after that, that's all I did. I bleached the knots and I washed the hair. Everything else was literally perfect. Like, I did not pluck this wig. Look at, I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see my baby hairs and see how like plucked this wig is. Like, I didn't do nothing. I promise you guys, I did not. You guys saw me literally install the wig. I didn't pluck it or nothing. All I did was do my baby hairs, and the wig looks amazing. So yeah, y'all, this was a really nice wig from Klaiyi hair, and I've actually worked with Klaiyi multiple times in the past, and I never have an issue with their wigs at all. I love this wig and it looks so pretty. I'm gonna wear it out. I'm actually going to go do a shoot for my boutique, and I'm gonna also be vlogging, so you'll see my hair from now as clean as it is and see how it ends up looking while I'm outside and out and about. So yeah, y'all, be sure to check them out. I'll have all the information listed down below for the details on this hair. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.